Hey, anybody? We got some weed, man. We need some gas. Hello? Whoa, what is that? Oh my God, balls! Oh my God, I got that. Hey, ho! Come here! Hey! You mind if I come in here, man? Yeah, thanks. We need some gas. Okay. Oh my God! What the? Ah! Oh my God! Ah! Hey, man! Oh my God! I'm having seizure, man! Get me help! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Hey, man! Don't slam that door like that!
What the fuck? Where'd you go, you stupid hoe? Fuck! Leave me out here, shirtless and everything. Fucking bitch. I'm gonna come in there and kick your ass, hoe. Just wait, I'm coming. Just a wait. Hello? Hello? You fat fucker, where are you? Fuck, I'm coming in anyway, I don't care. Where are you? Hello? Is anyone home? My titties are all sweaty. Ooh, that's a pretty door. Oh, man. What is going on? I'm lost. Where am I? I smell fried chicken. Smells pretty good. Maybe I'll eat some when I get home. Oh, fuck me! Oh, shit. I fell. There's feathers everywhere. Oh, fuck. I smell chickens. Oh, my God. It's a fucking chicken! Oh, I want some KFC now, dude. Oh, man. I have no orgasm. I want some KFC. Oh, shit! They killed a dinosaur. Fuck. I didn't know chickens had dinosaurs. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, what is that? It's a fucking hand. As in... Oh, my gosh. It's a rat. No, no, no. What is it? It's a couch. Oh, it's just a couch. It's all good. Oh, hell no. What the fuck is that smell? Oh, hell no. What is that? That is a fucking hand from the ceiling. Oh, Jesus. We're in trouble. Oh, my God. A fucking dildo in the dead person's mouth. I'm scared now. Oh, man. Turtle shell. I'm scared. I'm scared. Chicken! Chickens! Dead chickens! Lots and lots of chickens. Ooh. Kind of hungry. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, hell no. I'm about to puke. I'm gonna puke everywhere. If I keep smelling them chickens, I'm gonna puke. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh, Jesus. That chicken's really creeping me out. Well, you know what? I'm gonna puke. Okay, yeah, there we go. I'm bulimic. Alright. I'm getting up. Alright, going to eat some fried chicken. See you later.